Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn about wide and narrow concept from maths. Wide, narrow, wide, narrow, wide, narrow. Children, wide means broad. The sides are not closer to each other. Okay, wide means broad. The sides are not closer to each other. Narrow means limited in size. The sides are closer to each other. The sides are closer to each other. Okay. Now children, what you all can see over here? Yes, roads. Yes. Children, this road is wide. This road is wide. Children, it is broad. This road is broad. You can see the sides. See children? The sides are not closer to each other. The sides are not closer to each other. So this road is wide. Okay. Children, see this one. This road is narrow. This road is narrow. You can see the sides. Yes. Children, see the sides. The sides are closer to each other. The sides are closer to each other. They are limited in size. Okay, so this road is narrow. This road is narrow. Yes. This road is wide. This road is narrow. Yes. Yes, children. What you can see? Roads. Yes. This road is wide. This road is wide. It is broad. The sides are not closer to each other. Okay, so this road is broad. This road is wide. See children, this one. This road is narrow. This road is narrow. The sides are closer to each other. The sides are closer to each other. So this one is narrow. This road is narrow. This one wide. This road is wide. And this road is narrow. Okay. Now children, we will see some examples. Yes. What you all can see here? Log. Yes. Now children, this log is wide. This log is wide. It is broad. The sides are not closer to each other. Children, you can see the sides here. The sides are not closer to each other. So this log is wide. Okay. Now here, this log is narrow. This log is narrow. You can see the sides. See children, the sides are closer to each other. The sides are closer to each other. Okay. So this log is wide and this log is narrow. Okay. Yes. Now children, what you can see here? Yes. Crayons. Yes, crayons. This crayon is wide. This crayon is wide. It is broad. You can see the sides. Yes. The sides are not closer to each other. The sides are not closer to each other. So this crayon is wide, broad. Okay. Now children, this crayon is narrow. This crayon is narrow. You can see the sides. See children? The sides are closer to each other. The sides are closer to each other. So this crayon is wide and this crayon is narrow. Okay. Now children, what you can see here? Yes, paintbrush. Okay. This brush is narrow. This brush is narrow. The sides are closer to each other. Okay. So this brush is narrow. Now children, next. This brush is wide. This brush is wide. The sides are not closer to each other. Okay, it is broad. So this brush is wide. Now next. Now children, see here, this bow is narrow, limited in size. Okay, so this bow is narrow. This bow is wide. This bow is wide, broad. Okay. Yes. Now what are these? Trees. Yes. Here you can see the trees. Children, this tree is wide. This tree is wide. The sides are not closer to each other. This tree is broad. Okay. So this is wide. This tree is wide. Now see children, this one. This tree is narrow. This tree is narrow. The sides are closer to each other. Okay, so this tree is narrow. Yes. What is this? Flower vase. Yes, flower vase. Now children, this flower vase is narrow. This flower vase is narrow. You can see the sides, children. See here. The sides are closer to each other. The sides are closer to each other. So this flower vase is narrow. Now this one. This flower vase is wide. This flower vase is wide. You can see the sides. See children here. The sides are not closer to each other. They are broad. Okay. So this flower vase is wide. Yes. Now next. What are these? Candles. Yes, candles. This candle is wide. This candle is wide. It is broad. The sides are not closer to each other. So this candle is wide. Now children, see here. This candle is narrow, limited in size. The sides are closer to each other. The sides are closer to each other. So this candle is narrow. This candle is wide. And this candle is narrow. Okay. So children, all of you understood? Wide, narrow. Wide, narrow. Okay. So now we will do the worksheet. Okay. So children, this is your worksheet. Here what we are going to do? Here we are going to tick the wide thing in each set. Okay. Below the box is given. In that we are going to tick. So here in this picture we are going to see the wide thing. Yes. So here 2 roads are there. Okay. Now children, tell me, this road is wide. This road is wide. No. This road is narrow. This road is narrow. Okay. Now children, we will see next one. Now tell me, this road is wide. Yes. This road is wide. So we are going to tick on this. Okay. So this road is wide. So tick in the box. Okay children. Now next. Yes. What you all can see here? River. Yes. 2 rivers are there. And bridge is there over the river. Yes. So which river is wide? Yes. This river is wide. No. This river is narrow. This river is narrow. This river is wide. This river is wide. Yes. This river is wide. So we will tick here. Okay. In this box. Yes. Now, what are these? Doors. Okay. So here we are going to take wide door. Okay. So children, now tell me, this door is wide. This door is wide. No. This door is narrow. This door is narrow. Now tell me, this door is wide. Yes, this door is wide. So we will tick. Okay. So like this you are going to tick. Now next. Okay, next worksheet. In this worksheet we are going to tick the narrow thing in each set. Okay, we are going to tick narrow thing. So children, here tell me, this one is narrow. No. This one is narrow. No. This one is narrow. Yes. This one is narrow. So we will tick here. Okay, in the box like this. So this one is narrow. Now next. Yes. What are there? Yes, rivers. Yes, rivers. 2 rivers are there. So here we are going to take narrow river. Okay. We are going to take narrow river. So children, tell me, this river is narrow. This river is narrow. No. This river is narrow. Yes. This river is narrow. Okay, so we will tick here. Okay, in this box you are going to tick. This river is narrow. Now children, here you can see the two boys are standing with their balls. So we are going to take narrow. Okay, so this boy has wide open his leg. So this one is wide. This is not narrow. Okay. So this one is narrow. Yes, this one is narrow. So we will put a tick. Okay. Yes. So children, all of you understood? Wide and narrow? Yes. So children, what we have learned today? Wide and narrow concept. Okay. Wide and narrow concept. So you all are going to practice this topic at home. Okay. Thank you children. Bye bye. We will meet in the next session. Bye.